we are students of mathematics at IAIN Loksmawe, unit number 1 and first semester. We made this video to fulfill class 1 of an English math course with the lecturer Mrs. Fadiani.
Okay guys, in this video, we want to explaining about why any number divided by 0 is infinity. If you are curious, keep watching and stay tuned!
Why any number divided by 0 is infinity? To solve this problem, we divided it into two parts that are the first non-zero number divided by 0 and then 0 divided by 0. For the first part, non-zero numbers divided by 0, for the example is 3 divided by 0 equals infinity or undefined. Why is that? Exhibit 1. A division operation is an iterative subtraction. We take an example. 6 divided by 2 equals 6 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 equals 0. Until the result equals 0. Divided by 2 equals 3 because 3 times subtraction repeatedly. This concept comes from division equals reduction repeatedly. So, 3 divided by 0 equals 3 minus 0 minus 0 minus 0 minus 0 minus 0 and so on. We won't find how many zeros subtracting the number from 3 until equals 0, which is infinite. Then the answer is 3 divided by 0 equals infinity. Exhibit 2. For an example, 3 divided by 0 equals a divided by 1. So, 3 times 1 equals 0 times a. 3 equals 0. This equation will continue to be wrong because there is no number that fulfills it. Then the answer is 3 divided by 0 equals undefined. Exhibit 3. The result of dividing a number divided by 0 depends on how we define 3, 0, and infinity. If we define it as a real number in everyday life, number that we use in everyday life, then the answer is undefined. For example, there are 3 apples, then divided by 0 children. What is the result? Will each child get less than an apple? While there are no children, how do you want it to be divided? Of course, this cannot define undefined. But wait a minute, I could not answer it. How can? Because I think 0 is not a real number. Even to 1 over 0 in the real number system, the result is undefined. If there is a number x close to 0, then the value 3 over x will be very large, infinite.
In everyday, we encounter situations that can describe this fraction or division. A numerator we consider as bracket, while the denominator we suppose a string. A. The greater the self-interest we want in doing charity, the smaller the result we get. B. Conversely, the smaller the strings, the greater the result we get. C. If we do kindness without strings attached sincere, then infinite we will receive a reply. The second part, or the last part, 0 divided by 0. What is 0 divided by 0? 0 divided by 0 is like asking how many zeros in 0? Are there no zeros in 0 at all? Or perhaps there is exactly 1 0 in 0? Are many zeros? For the answer to 0 divided by 0, there are many variations. To understand it, we must first know some of the concepts below. First, 0 as a denominator. 0 divided by regardless of the number, the answer is 0. To prove 0 over 2 is A, then 0 is 2 times A. So the number satisfying A is 0, because regardless of the number multiplied by 0, the result is equal to 0. Second, 0 as denominator. Any number divided by 0 is an infinite or undefinite number. The proof is as we have discussed it above, but most people think the result is infinite. For example, 2 over 0 is infinite, 7 over 0 is infinite. Third, number divided by itself. Any number divided by itself, the result is 1. For example, 2 over 2 is 1, 7 over 7 is 1. Okay guys, of the three concepts above, the result of the number 0 divided by 0 is 1. 0 over 0 is 0. There are according to the concept of 0 divided by any number. The answer is 0. So, 0 over 0 is infinite. There are according to the concept of any number divided by 0, the result is infinite or undefinite. 3. 0 over 0 is 1. There are according to the concept of any number, if divided by itself, then the result is 1. So, the conclusion from 0 divided by 0, the result can be 0, it can be infinite, it can also be 1. That is, 0 divided by 0, the result may be 0, it may be infinite or undefinite, it can also be 1. In fact, since we can consider the result undefinite, then 0 over 0 is 4, 0 over 0 is 5 is also true according to the above theorem. 0 over 0 is 4 because 4 times 0 is 0. So any number is fine.
Interesting, right? So, to use the result of any number divided by 0, we have to make an agreement in advance to solve a problem, so that we can have the result of the operation either infinite, undefined, or indefinite.
That is discussion about the result of any number